Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with essentials. Sign into Google and enable location services so maps can detect your position. Once done, open Google Maps and search the city or area you need offline. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi to avoid mobile charges. Large areas consume data. Tap the place name or area, then press the three-dot menu or area card. This reveals the download map option. This immediate step creates the offline region you'll refine. Now focus the map on the exact region you want offline by pinching and dragging. Include highways and key turns. Once framed, tap Download. You can rename the map for quick recall. The app shows the required storage size. Make sure it fits your iPhone storage. Downloads run in background but stay on Wi-Fi for speed. If you need a larger area, repeat and create multiple maps. These downloaded maps update automatically when online, so they stay fresh. When offline, open Maps and go to Offline Maps to pick your saved area, then start navigation as usual for driving routes. Remember why? Offline maps provide turn-by-turn guidance without data, but live transit and traffic details won't appear. If a map won't download, restart Maps and reconnect to strong Wi-Fi. If problems persist, free up storage or update the app. That single troubleshooting step, reconnect, clear temporary data, and retry, fixes most download failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.